Hey there, Lindsay here with Action Water Sports, and today we're going to show you how to pair your phone with MasterCraft's 7-inch and dual screen dash display systems and provide some settings to get the best sound quality out of your Klipsch system. On your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings and put your phone in pairing mode. After placing your device in pairing mode, you're now ready to power up the Klipsch head audio unit. Next, key up the boat and activate the head unit. If your boat is equipped with a 7-inch display, press the source button and navigate to the Bluetooth menu. Once you have selected the Bluetooth source, press and hold the volume knob until you see that the head unit is in pairing mode. After a few seconds, your phone should indicate that the boat is now ready to pair. You can now select the Klipsch head unit on your Android or iOS device. Dual screen dash. On the main screen, accept the terms and conditions. Go into the settings icons on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, in the settings icon page, click Add New Device. It'll prompt you to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Check that the Bluetooth is on and that your phone is visible to the device. Pair your phone with the system. It will give you a code to make sure that the proper phone is paired with the correct head unit. Make sure the code matches and hit OK. Your phone should now be connected to the device. With the dual screen application, you can adjust the amount of sound coming from each area of the boat, including the bow, subwoofer, helm, cockpit, and tower. Reminders: for the best audio from Klipsch, it is recommended with iPhones that your sound check is off along with the EQ, the equalizer. To do this, go into your phone settings, find the music tab, and double check that the sound check is off along with the EQ. If most of the music sounds quiet or faint, even when the speakers are at a max volume on the boat, make sure that the volume limit is set to its max before turning on the music. Note, some third-party music apps have additional equalizer settings which may affect the music quality. If you notice a weaker music quality, try changing the music apps to give the best sound out of your system. Only one phone can be played at a time through the system. We suggest for the best quality that only a maximum of 3 phones are paired or stored in the system at one time. We hope that this helps you crank up the tunes and enjoy your day on the water. If you have any questions, please call your local Action Water Sports for more details. Thanks, and we'll see you on the water.